What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, this is my second video of Animal Company. We're gonna be killing the monsters with the golden ukulele. Yo, you think I should take off this backpack? You know, it's a little. It's not that rare. Alright, so we're gonna need some golden ukuleles. So. Alright.
You can have whatever you put in there. I'm gonna sell this.
Alright. Alright, we're gonna use one ukulele for. Wait. Use one for now.
Hold on, I gotta.
Here, put every single one in here. Alright, let's get the camera.
Oh yeah,
Alright,
I got some grenades.
Alright, let's go.
Ooh. I almost stepped
Bro,
on it.
I'm gonna make a video on the new update as soon as it comes out.
Okay.
Oh my god, I almost touched that landmine. Look, guys, there's Oogie Boy.
I almost touched a landmine. Okay, I'm gonna put a sticky dynamite on him.
Yeah, put a sticky dynamite on him.
Bro.
Latest dude. Right. Watch and learn.
Alright, gonna blow him up with this cubic TNT.
Go get him. I'll make it to where it's right here. Alright. Fight.
Attack!
Ah,
Got
bro,
him.
I didn't even get the attack.
Revolver ammo.
Let's go. Alright, guys.
I read a chicken.
Or else here we go.
Chicken yaki.
Yucky. Alright, come on.
Got rotisserie chicken.
Yo, let me make my my thing all the way out. Hold up. I gotta fix the camera. I have to fix the view. Hold up.
Okay. Munching on.
Oh wait, never mind. That actually looks good. That actually looks good.
This is pure
Like
entertainment.
from here. Yeah, it looks good. Let's
Man,
see.
this chicken bussin'.
Alright, come on, let's go.
You gonna kill the chicken?
Yeah, we're gonna get the chicken. Wait, what? Where is it? Oh, snap.
Oh no.
Wait, I didn't know you could buy stuff from here.
Oh yeah, that's a sticker dispenser.
Let's get some of these. Bro, this reminds me of the OG thing. What do all these buttons do?
I'm gonna press a. Oh,
yeah,
it brings
camera.
It brings them here.
Alright, let me maybe make it to where the camera follows us. What is this?
Oh, chicken coming.
Oh my god! Let me get in. Yo, look at this chicken!
He died.
What do we get? Ooh. The katanas are definitely better. What does this do?
It brings him here, but he didn't respawn yet.
Guys, this
Takes
is
him a while to
insane.
respawn.
Alright, so what should we do now?
I don't know.
We're gonna be... We are gonna give the chicken a beating. So did he respawn? Yo, how do we get the egg?
Not.
Oh my god,
Oh,
I know how to cheat. Use the
egg should
camera
be-
right here, and it'll here. Go in there to see if it shows that you're in there.
The
Yeah,
walls
I
are
can see
invisible.
you, so I can just tell you where to go. So I can just see where to go.
Yeah, the walls are invisible for me. I can't see them.
Cause I can still see the board.
He's coming! He's coming!
Oh my god!
Bad chicken! Bad
Get him!
chicken,
Beat him! Let me get him! Let me get him!
Bad chicken!
Stop it!
I'll put you on the KFC menu!
Put you to sleep.
What'd we get?
Let's go get the... Alright, let's go find some other monsters to beat up.
Okay.
Guys, we're
Think
beating
fast,
up. We're
Choco
killing
Nuts.
every monster. We're killing every monster.
Every
Alright, let's
monster?
go.
Okay.
Yeah, every monster. Alright, let's go.
The ogre's back. Oh wait, look. Did we kill the guy
Right
in
here, right here. Start with this one. We already killed the ogre. Hold up. Watch out.
He's coming.
The camera's okay recording.
Okay, let. Okay.
You're
Oh,
there.
he's right there.
Hold up, let me kill him.
I couldn't reach him. He ran
Watch
away.
out. Now look at me. Ah!
Oh.
Oh
Yeah.
my god, that was easy.
We got revolver ammo
We don't-
out of that.
We don't need that. Alright guys.
What health are
Alright,
you at?
next one. We don't need to heal, bro.
Oh.
Let's see what the viewers can see inside.
Big man's coming back.
Yo, where's the other one? Where's the other
other what?
golden? Put
Oh, I have it.
big Ogie boys. Alright, let's go guys. Come on, let's go past Ogie boy.
Uh-oh. He might throw a rock.
Run!
He might
feel
throw a
bad for
rock.
you. We have to kill the thing. Come on, let's go. We have to go over here now.
What thing?
A red light, green, anger.
Oh, yeah.
Anger. We're probably not gonna kill every single one, but you know what I mean.
I got red light, green light.
Ogie boy's coming.
Uh-oh.
Come here! Oh no! Help! Help me! I died!
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna revive. Your body.
Hey, don't get me! My camera's so running. Bro, they're probably like, what the heck is he doing?
Oh, hit me.
Let's go get revenge.
Uh-oh.
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 Attack!
Nice. Stop.
Attack!
Yes.
Oh my
Down.
god.
Run.
Guys, Ogie boy's coming. Get him!
Throw a rock at me. Wait. Yes. They're down.
I think we should end the video here.
Yeah.
Or let's go to Haunted Mansion.
Haunted mansion?
After this, yeah, what's your percentage at?
Huh?
Bro, I can't see anything. Where's my grappler?
Should
My hook shot.
have been over here. I mean, I saw a hook shot somewhere. I
It's
think he
fine,
left
let's
it
go
on
to
the
Haunted
ground.
Mansion now. Haunted Mansion.
Oh, okay.
Alright guys, we're at Haunted Mansion. Well actually, you know what, let's end the video here.
Okay.
Alright guys, it's gonna be the end of today's video. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Say bye, bro.
Bye.